How to get girls only on Ome TV. Now first things first is we are going to download an extension for this tutorial to work. Now just simply pull up your preferred web browser. Now, right now I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this tutorial. Then once you pull up your browser, just head to the Google Web Store. Click on the first result. And from here, the extension that we'll need to download is going to be IP locator for Omegle. Now in here, you'll just have to choose on the first result right here, or the first option that says video chat extension IP locator for Omegle. Now you'll just have to download this, and then it will automatically be added to your extensions, and it will also automatically install by itself. Now once you've added this, just simply click on the puzzle icon right here to bookmark the extension. Just click on this pin right here. There you go. Now, second thing to do is just simply head to the Ome TV website. Now, once you have downloaded and activated the extension, this will be the box interface right here. So all I have to do is to click on settings. It's going to be the video chat extensions v2.2.5. And from there, all I have to do is just scroll down a bit till you are able to see gender recognition. For you to be able to get girls only, just press on skip menu. Now it's not going to be 100% working because some of the users set it up their gender as male in which they are female or vice versa. All you have to do is just simply choose or tick this box right here that says skip min, and the AI will automatically detect the camera if you are interacting with a man or a woman, and it will automatically skip if it is a man. So those are the keys and troubleshooting steps and how you can get girls only on Omi TV.